Let's do this.
Given that we were stuck at the dock this weekend, we decided to tackle some ongoing projects while enjoying the beautiful sunny weather. After breakfast, we got right to work. I tackled a job from a client which involved restitching his sail covers, while Jack dove into wiring projects and rerouting our seawater strainer for the engine. We are currently waiting on engine parts to be manufactured and sent from the East Coast, so we've been keeping busy with all sorts of boat projects in the meantime. We also received a special surprise this weekend. We received a postcard from the crew on SV Delos. They sent us good vibes from Brazil and congratulations on the upgrade of the new boat. So awesome to get some sailing vibes all the way from Brazil. Anyways, enough of that, back to work! We were gifted a new LSZ-1 Sailrite sewing machine for Christmas, so we are super stoked to start tackling sewing projects on board Gemini. It was great to just set it up in the sun and get to know the new machine. Alright. Back in action, people.
Well, I guess I'll go get to work.
Back in the hole! I think that's going to be the name of our episode. Back in the hole! Meanwhile, Jack wrestled with the seized fittings on the seawater strainer.
Got you. Yeah, I wedged it underneath the cleat.
Just like any boat project we tackle, our main objective is to keep things simple and done correctly. We'd rather not spend valuable sailing time fixing things again when they break, so better to be done right the first time. We finished off our day with some evening yoga up on deck and some sundowners just as the sun was setting.
Oh, right when I do the video, that's when you do it. Whoa! Nice.
Catch us next time when we deliver a race boat back from Mexico. Until next time, remember, stay salty.